What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day, a fabulous day, because here in Florida the weather is absolutely perfect. It is amazing right now. So what's in the box? Ooh. Yes. Now what is this? This is actually a lot bigger than I expected. This is a new mount for the pegboard. Heavy duty as always. Wall control. I bought this, they didn't give it to me, but guys are doing awesome, like what they're doing. 2 bars. Oh snap, I got 2 bars. Alright, let's hang it up. Clean and tidy. I bet everybody's wondering, what is this thing for? I'll show you. That's what it's for. For a 4.5-inch grinder, they have a 7-inch grinder mount as well. I really wanted this pegboard now that I understand that it can hold so much more weight to hold heavier things, bigger things. I got 3 of these floating around the garage for all sorts of different reasons. I want them all in one place, and I got a perfect place to hang them. I'll have to take up a drawer in my box. Win for me. Now that this thing's all set up, let's move on to our next project. I know. Other side of the garage looks absolutely amazing, it looks so good. Movie magic. And this is what everything else looks like. It's not as bad as it looks. And I'm trying to clean it up so that way I can get the Camaro to sleep on this side of the garage, so that way I have access to that side of the garage for all the tools and things for home projects or whatever else. This exhaust came from a 2009 Challenger SR-T8 that I used to own, and it's the one I let get away. I love that car. I swapped that exhaust for a Mac exhaust that sound absolutely awesome. I want to keep parts of it, but not all of it. And the only way to do that, by cutting some shit out. Always love cutting stuff up. Such a stress reliever. If you haven't done it, try it. Get yourself a Sawzall, cut up something, cut up your car, whatever, who cares? Just cut something. It's always fun. So I took a minute to measure these out. 2.5-inch pipes. Not bad. Good for a 500 horsepower car or below. That's fine. That'll be a fun hot rod to play with. If I want to make more, then it's going to cost me a lot more. Right now I got all these pieces. These will look good on just about anything, especially putting out like poking out the side of a vehicle. Look sharp, a little bit of polish, maybe a little paint on the inside there, clean it up a little bit, and that looks good. Most importantly, the X-pipe. For me to fabricate this would take days. And I don't have a tubing bender, so having this floating around for a future project to squeeze into something, and to be honest, if I were to take this and to cut these 90s off of these guys, weld them on the ends with those on the end, I can make some side dump exhausts on something. That'll look good. And it didn't cost me anything. That stuff I already had laying around. Just some time with a welder, which be sure to subscribe because I got a new welder that we'll be doing here. I'll be unboxing and testing out here real soon. So, until next time, peace.